Hey y'all, I am so excited to get my hands on this. This is the very, very first Scrappin' Happy Studio Flair kit. So from what I understand, she's not going to have it subscription style. She's going to have it available every month. And I think it behooves you to rush over and get it every month when it goes live. So, and I will have the link down below where you can get your hands on it. I love it. I love the brightness. I love the super sturdy packaging that we get. Yeah, I want to get my hands on the very, very first one. And here we go. So beautiful packaging. We've got foofies. And then we've got a nice little sticker and really good tissue paper that I try not to hurt too badly because I like to use it in crafting. So let's see. Look at this little present, guys. I cannot wait. Okay, let's see what we get. And I'm going to just go top to bottom because that's the way it's packaged. I think that's what I should do. All right, so the very first thing is a set of handmade epoxy buttons. Oh my goodness, guys, look at how cute they are. They're on a nice little piece of foam, so you can leave them like that or pop the foam off if that's what you would like. And they're adorable. And I like the bright brights in this color palette. I also like that if you're doing a layout that just has pink and yellow, you can totally separate out if you feel like it. How cute. And they're little. They're like kind of like the size of a dime. Oh, I love that. I like little things that I can tuck. So that's my first one. All right, so the next one, these are handmade epoxy buttons as well. And they're little stars and little hearts. All of the Flair in this box are actually going to match. So if you're like, I want to get my hands on some Flair, you can just go like right to this and order it. Of course, you can go all over her website and order all the different things, but this is totally curated for you. So stars and hearts, which are perfect. I like the baby blue. We go into teal, a nice indigo-y kind of a purple, nice bright happy green, super cute. Next, okay, Heart Flair. I love Heart Flair. She had a Heart Flair sale one day, and I think I bought like 15 packages of it because I like the shape. It does a little something. Okay, really cute font. The bright colors again. We've got Lovely Day, Best Friends, Sweet Smile, Hello Cutie, Happy, You and Me. How cute. So cute. Oh, these are adorable. Look at these florals. So a bunch of them, like right here, it looks like there's stitch lines through these different florals. How awesome is that? And I believe this matches Paige Evans' new line. So that would totally work for the stitch pieces too. You know what? We're starting to get some Flair that needs to move around. So let's go like this. If we need to, then we will, let's make it cute. If we need to, we can zoom out. Okay, next, so we've got round Flair, and these are a little bit, they're like between nickel and quarter size. In case you guys want to know. I don't know if you want to know. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Let's see. There we go. So we've got some really cute little butterflies, an adorable little rainbow, little dreamer, a wonky sun. This cloud has stitch lines on it and a floral. Very nice. Yep, I'm already needing to come out a little bit because you get a lot in here. another Heart Flair. Okay, so just polka dots with those gorgeous colors. Perfect. So we've got that. Now these are Flair buttons, and they're slender Flair buttons. So it reads Flair buttons without the bulk. So they are much thinner. They all have this like nice indigo kind of a background to them, and they're like watercolor butterflies. The watercolory like artwork that she uses is usually my favorite. So that's a huge win for me. I love them. I love them. They're like nice nickel sizes. Cute. Okay, next, ooh, Canvas Flair. So Canvas Flair, guys, have this texture when you're creating with them, and you don't have the shine. So it's this different kind of a vibe. So like The regular Flair, it's a total epoxy kind of shine to it. And these just don't. It feels literally like a canvas. And they are cameras, which totally works for anything. So this one reads Capture Today. We've got a deep, like green on green, turquoise on turquoise, magenta on magenta. Sweet smile, I see you, remember, and capture today. Oh my goodness, those are cute. And then the last one in this kit of the month, their canvas, and it reads love, hello, sweet, shine, happy, smile. Because I really like how you can totally like grab different colors out for your projects. Like if you have all green, you go boop, 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 boop. You know what I'm saying? Super cool. Okay. Really excited to get my hands on this kit. I cannot wait to create with them. I think they're beautiful and bright and colorful, and it's like that perfect mix of flair for my projects. So I am going to get all over them. I'm going to play with them. I'm going to put them right on my desk, which is what I do with, like, if I have mixed media for the month. I'm going to show you my little container. If I have mixed media for the month or something I want to concentrate on, those things that get to be like the fancy, like right in my face, get to go on my desk in these little clear bins, and then I will use them and use them. So there are my Flair for the month, my friends. I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video, and down below I will have links to this great company. Bye for now, friends.